The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Robert Lee Frost, popularly known as Robert Frost, is an American poet born on March 26, 1874, in San Francisco, California. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. Robert Frost, known for his realistic depictions of rural life and his command of American colloquial speech, he frequently wrote about settings from rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine complex social and philosophical themes. Some of Frost's most well known poems include The Road Not Taken, Birches, Fire and Ice, Mending Wall, Home Burial, The Death of the Hired Man, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, Acquainted with the Night, Out, Out, Nothing Gold Can Stay. During his lifetime, Frost received more than 40 honorary degrees. In 1924, Frost was awarded his first of four Pulitzer Prizes for his book New Hampshire. He subsequently won Pulitzer for collected poems in 1931, A Further Range in 1937, A Witness Tree in 1943. In 1960, Congress awarded Frost the Congressional Gold Medal. He died on January 29, 1963, aged about 88 years in Boston, Massachusetts, USA. Dear children, the main theme of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost is indecision, followed by the theme of regret. The Road Not Taken deals with the dilemmas that a man faces in life. The two roads serve as a metaphor for the choices we make in life. Life throws many alternatives. The choice we make has far reaching consequences. The impact that our choice will make on our lives can also not be foreseen. Hence, our decision should not be a shot in the dark. We may take a unique path and succeed, or a common one and fail. After taking decisions, we cannot undo them. We can only regret them. Even if we wish, we cannot start all over again. So, taking the right decision and making correct choices is very crucial to an individual life. Dear children, I hope you have understood the theme of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Happy learning!